So in this next little section, we have people representing 4 different organizations of students who are underrepresented and in science, speaking about those organizations. So I would like to start first with the wonderful Diana Dalbotten, who is really an incredible resource, and I think she's been running an RU for 13 years or something, working in Minnesota with tribal students, tribal college and university students. She's a great resource, so I would just let you take it away. Thank you.
So I'm going to be talking about 2 different organizations that want to help you recruit students. One of these is my own. It's called the Geoscience Alliance, and it's co-directed by Niavita Bueno-Watts, who's over there. Raise your hand, Niavita, so you can talk to her about it too. That's the Geoscience Alliance. And we started this group basically to improve everybody's chances to recruit Native American students into the geosciences. And I've been working on this since about 2007, and it's growing. And we have a body of at least 200 Native American students who are interested in the geosciences, in some aspect of the geosciences, who are recruitable, and even into graduate programs. Where did we get those students? By encouraging them to be part of this group. So we have a listserv and we have a Facebook site, and occasionally when we find funding, we have a conference. We've had 3 national conferences now. But this group, we encourage people to belong to it who are not Native, who are from programs like your own. And if we have a conference, we request that you support yourself to get there, but we certainly welcome you. So we'll be looking to do that soon, but I would like to see every single REU in the Division of Geosciences to send me information I can push out to these students in the Geoscience Alliance through our Facebook site listserv. And you're welcome to join also, to give me your name and address, and I'll put you on our listserv, and you can submit things yourself. So you can multiple times, if you want to join our Facebook site, you can put 20 times you can put your application up there and remind students that it's out there. So that's the Geoscience Alliance, and come talk to me more about that. Another opportunity, I'd like to invite you to come to our city, Minneapolis, Minnesota, for the American Indian Science and Engineering Society meeting, which will be there this fall. They're still accepting applications. You may even be able to get an exhibitor booth if you want. This is all of the tribal colleges in the country send students to the American Indian Science and Engineering Society. Most campuses that have Native students in STEM, those students belong to an AISES chapter. Students know what AISES is, and the national conference is a great place to connect with people. I will have a booth there. It's booth number 614. I would love to have all of your recruiting material at my booth, and so come talk to me about that too. Note to self. Mention the importance of recruiting mentors. So that's my one tip for you. If you recruit a student, you can maybe recruit other students through that student. If you recruit a mentor to like your program, you'll have that mentor recruiting students for you forever. And so when you go to these conferences, don't just look for students to connect to, but look for faculty at minority serving institutions or anywhere that is there with students. They're a great resource for recruiting. And I've even been known to tell a mentor, look, you don't know my program, but if you send me a student and I see that it's one of your students, I will look at it 4 times, not 1, and really push that student to get into my program. And that's because a lot of times mentors, they're not going to send you their best student, if they don't know you. Because they want to send that student somewhere where they know where that student's going to be mentored and supported. So these days, I'm getting those students, thank you, because people do know me. But if you want to get them into your program, you've got to assure that mentor that you're going to take care of their student, and then maybe they'll start sending you their best and brightest. Okay, that's all I get to say. Thanks.